Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to add Looka Coin in Trust Wallet. To add this token to your Trust Wallet, open up your browser, log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. Once here, copy its BNB Smart chain, which is the contract address, minimize and open up the Trust Wallet. Alright, so with Trust Wallet opened up, use the search at the top of the screen to simply search for Looka. And if you search for the token and you can't find it via search, use the icon at the top right. Click on this icon where it says manage crypto. The plus at the top right again, click on this. Where we have import crypto, under the network tab, click on Ethereum. Scroll through and select BNB Smart Chain. Paste the contract address we had copied from CoinMarketCap. Click on import. And boom, the Looka coin has been added to our Trust Wallet. So guys, this is how we can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.